The goal was to improve the best oils in the world. Maxima Racing Oils has recently upgraded their 4-stroke engine oil offerings by implementing an entirely new additive system called PEAK, developed by Maxima and stands for Performance Enhancing Additive Chemistry. This unique additive system is exclusive to the Maxima engine oil lineup. The PEAK reformulation was designed to significantly improve performance in several critical areas: engine cleanliness, clutch performance, and most importantly, power and acceleration. Tested and developed with the world's top race teams and factories, Maxima engine oils allow riders and racers to push their limits like never before, ultimately improving the riding experience and resulting in less downtime and more fun. Increases in power and acceleration. Through extensive testing, Maxima was able to reduce internal friction, allowing for increased horsepower, faster acceleration, and more torque. Improved clutch performance, especially at high temps. Clutch performance was improved by increasing friction on fiber clutch plates, allowing for a more positive engagement and improved feel. This allows for maximum efficiency in transferring engine power to the rear wheel, making sure none of that hard-earned power is lost to clutch slippage. Engine cleanliness is important to the longevity of your equipment, and the technology inside PEAK doubles the cleaning efficiency of the engine oil. The PEAK additive is the first line of defense against harmful buildup and drastically reduces engine deposits. Improved resistance to breakdown, an ability to combat heat, and an increase in protection all promote longer oil change intervals. Safe for use in all motorcycle brands. For more information, please visit your local Maxima dealer or visit us online at maximausa.com.